What is up, Trade Safe family? Coming on here to make another video. As you can see, the topic, the title of the video is bots, right? Do trading bots work? That is the question, right? Do trading bots work? And before I answer the question, I want you to tell me in the comments if you think trading bots work, right? And that's kind of like a dumb thing. It's like, well, Michael, I'm coming to this video to find out from you if trading bots work. And it's funny because a lot of people know the answers to their own questions. And it's, that's okay. Like, people want confirmation. People want, to hear another opinion, and that's great. But guys, you already know the answer to this question. Trading bots do not work, period. Now, let me say this. Trading bots work momentarily. And that's where they get you, right? And let me explain. So, let's go back to when I first started trading, right? When I first started trading, I told you, or I don't know, whoever is not listening, whoever didn't listen to the first video, here's a recap on that. So, I started trading, had a good amount of liquid in the bank, and, I reconnected with, hey, there's Luna. I reconnected with my cousin's ex-husband, which was into trading. And, basically he didn't tell me that, he was playing demo accounts. And, when I gave him $50,000, he basically blew it, right? He left me with $7,000. Let's just leave it at that. And essentially, I was left with $7,000 and I didn't know what to do. So, I started doing research and saying, what can I do? What can I do to, try and make this money back? I was kind of desperate. I couldn't believe that I had lost that amount of money like that. So I stumbled upon this girl on Instagram that, I don't know how I met her or how I knew her, but it was like through a common friend or whatever. And I started to see that she was using some bot, right? Some bot to trade Forex. And I'll put a name, I'll tell you guys the name of the bot. It's called the Pip Grabber. You could look it up. It's like By Design is the company that makes it, By Design. And the bot is called Pip Grabber. So, I followed her for like a month and I saw that, hey, it was working, right? I was like, that's cool. It's like making money. It's like actually making money. And apparently like it copies strategies from like other traders that are in the company, whatever the case, or I don't know. I really don't remember what it was exactly that it did, but so I signed up. It was like $1,000 to get the license to the thing, and I put it to work. And I started doing its thing. So I was like, wow, it's working. I was like, oh my God, this is great. And what it would do is it would basically martingale. And if you don't know what martingale means, is that basically if you put in a trade, as the trade is going against you, you're basically adding to this trade, right? To give you a much better position. So let's say on Euro USD, if we were at the dollar, if we were at the even dollar, right? Which if some of you guys remember, if you were in the trading game, if you were in there long enough, you remember when the euro dollar broke, went below the dollar, right? So that was like a monumental moment. And so let's say you're at the dollar, and just to explain it, you enter, it goes against you, you enter again, it goes against you, it enters you again, and then basically by the time that on the third one, you should break even, right? So like as price continues to go back up, you should break even, closes the trade, and then so on. Let's say it puts you into profit. That's great. I think it'll just put one trade and then it knows if you're in profit or not, right? So I tried it out and it was working and it was great. And I was like, wow, like this is amazing. It's working. But what I didn't realize was, what I didn't know at the time was that markets literally shift. And essentially, if you've ever heard any trader saying, no one single strategy will work forever, it basically is because markets shift. Like every month, every couple of months, there's a change to how the market fluctuates, right? And the point of being a great trader is being able to adapt to these fluctuations of the market, right? So when the market shifts, when things shift, you automatically also shift. And here's the problem, that if you program a bot to do a specific strategy, that's it. That is what the bot is going to do. And that is what the bot is going to stick to. The bot is not going to shift and change according to the new parameters of what the market is asking for, right? It is going to stick to those parameters that you installed into it. So what happened was that it worked until it did not work, guys, right? So, one day it was making money and the next day it blew all of the profits and more. And so if you think about this, it means that it goes back to that old saying, which is you can be right 99 times and it only takes one trade to blow your account. Excuse me. So saying this basically just tells you guys that bots do not work, and the reason bots were created were for people like me when I first started trading. It's created to get people to just buy the license, and after that the people don't care about you, right? Like, look, think about the bot that Lambo Raul came out with this dude AB, right? There was once upon a time that Lambo Raul came out with this bot. And man, so many people got screwed over with that thing, right? The bot worked until it did not work, right? Let's talk about buy and sell indicators, right? Mr. Alexanti, he came out with the profit algo indicator, if some of you guys don't remember, right? So whoever's into the world will know, whoever's not into that world won't know. But Mr. Alexanti, another one, came out with this profit algo. And guess what? It's funny because I joined the guy's live like a couple years ago, and the guy never used the algo. Like, isn't that hilarious? Like, Lambo Raul never used the bot. He tried it and he was trying to, and he used it for his own back testing and all this good stuff, but he didn't have it working for him. Like, he sold it and that was it. And then once it messed up and it fucked people over, that was it. He got rid of it. What the hell is going on there? So what I'm telling you guys is just learn, man. Just learn trading. Like, if I can go back in time and I can just forget about the bots and forget about the bullshit, just learn trading. These people with their, it's so dumb. So this is my opinion, guys. I would love, for example, people at hedge funds, they use bots, right? But here's the thing, these people are extremely smart, right? Like, I'll give an example of SMB Capital. What SMB Capital does is they will have like a quantitative trader, a mathematician, which Yo, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to wait until this fucking degenerate like just, stops with this stupid fucking noise in his car. So what these people will do is they will, and again, they are much smarter than me, they're much smarter than you, but they will create these algorithms, bots, that will essentially take trades for them, but they're also adjusting these bots as they go. Like, they are making different algorithms with different strategies that do different things, and this is why these things work, right? And guess what? They don't always turn them on. When they see certain market conditions, they will go ahead and they will turn these bots on. But ultimately, it is them. It is the trader who is deciding, listen, this is the right time to turn on this bot. This is the right time to use this, because they are the ones who designed it. They know when it's going to be the perfect market condition for this to work, right? So for the general population, guys, bots do not work. Do not use bots. Learn trading. Simply learn it. Just every day. If it's only an hour that you can put a day, just put an hour a day, guys. But I recommend 1 to 3 hours every single morning, right? Because what's going to happen is that you are going to slowly, pattern recognition, over time, you will just learn, guys. This is the law of life. It is impossible, unless you have some sort of mental disability, in which if you do, you shouldn't be trading, maybe learn another thing, or just find your strength in whatever. But I'm telling you that just learn trading. It is going to be much easier for you to get a mentor, someone who you trust, someone who you look up to teach you how it is that they became successful. And don't rely on these bots. Don't rely. And you know what's even crazier is, to me, what's even crazier is these people still have a following. Like, how was it that these people were able to scam people with this bot and people still trust them? And that just comes to show how much greed and envy and jealousy, and kind of like, we as humans, like, we see somebody with a Lamborghini, we see somebody with a Bugatti, and we're like, oh my God, this is the answer. This guy has all of the answers, right? While at the same time, these people are scamming you over and over and over. So again, I say this to say that because the point of the video was just to talk about, because AI is super hot and all of these bots are coming out, and hey, we can, this bot can guarantee you this amount of return and this amount of profit. Guys, forget it. Unless you are a quantitative trader, unless you are a mathematician, unless you are creating your own algorithm to trade for you, guys, do not trust any of it. I've been there. I guarantee some of the traders that you look up to have been there, and they have been screwed in the past by these bots. Just don't do it, right? Learn trading, and that's that. So again, if you want to join us, guys, we are live every single morning from 8:30 to 10 a.m. Some days there's no trading days, and that's perfectly fine. You, as a beginner trader, the sooner you realize that, the sooner you will become profitable. So if you see that there's no trading day, well, learn. Take that day to learn. Maybe just look at the market, or read the book, read the Trader Trap, right? Study the course. Schedule a one-on-one to go over your back testing, right? These kinds of things are what you should be doing on no trading days. So just remember, trade safe every single day, 8:30. If you want to join us live, the link is in the description. And along with that, we just updated the trade safe indicator, which again, guys, it is not an indicator. This is a safety, like the safety on a gun. Now we have officially a take profit line, so that basically once you hit take profit, you are also blocked out. That's it. You can no longer trade, which is going to help you preserve your capital. It's going to help you with all that good stuff. So keep it in mind, guys, trade safe, right? As the motto, trade safely, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.